Y'all, we can't find no store that's open. When Dixie closed. Nail shop closed. Clothes shop closed. We just want some breakfast. I ain't got no pancakes.
Not McDonald's.
Nah, I ain't got no sausages. Y'all, McDonald's closed. No Big Mike. There is not no flat. Girl, let's go.
Reporting live is currently raining and the water is rising up. Guys, make sure you guys stay safe. Pumps is closed. I don't know what y'all gonna do.
You're just hungry. Well, Walmart is closed. They got crates in front of the door.
Y'all, they're making sure Walmart ain't going nowhere. It's not blowing away today. All the stores are closed. Everywhere we went, it's closed, y'all. The storm is almost here in less than 24 hours.
And 7-Eleven is open, but as you can see, there's no gas.
No gas.
I don't know what's happening here. Oh, they give it. Ice cream. 7-Eleven do still have water, soda. Still got a couple bags of chips left. Still got some freezer food, which is not gonna make sense to have any of that stuff. Yeah, we getting slushies. People in here. You locking it up?
Yeah.
It is packed in 7-Eleven. And they are locking it up, honey. It's 10, what time is it? 10:59 and the sky's dark. You guys be safe.